Where did you?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alexander Marshall. Welcome. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome as well. And don't forget, hit the subscribe button at the bottom and make sure you're clicking the bell so when I'm uploading on YouTube, you are notified. I'm actually gonna bring y'all a makeup look. Y'all have been asking me to do a makeup look. I'm gonna do a makeup look, but this is gonna be a little bit different of a makeup look. If you remember a video I did a couple of months ago, I told y'all I had been doing a lot of makeup reviews, but I could not upload those makeup reviews because I was having a lot of technical difficulties with these makeup reviews that I had been recording for you guys. So that is what I'm going to be bringing for you guys today. I'm going to be bringing you a makeup look featuring products that were in my everyday stack, but I couldn't tell you guys it was in my everyday stack because I was having some technical difficulties. I think some of them I did do some makeup reviews and they're on my channel. I don't really remember, but majority of this stuff, yeah, I couldn't even tell you if I liked it or if I didn't like it because I could not upload the video because of some technical difficulties. So yeah, I'm going to bring you guys what you asked for, a makeup look, but this is products that I had tried to review for you guys. And we are going to the mall today. I don't like going up there in that mall unless it's an if and only if, and in this instance it is an if and only if, and the only place I can get this item is at the mall. No, I can't get it nowhere else. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do this makeup look. So as always, yeah, I'm knocking stuff down. I have my handy dandy mirror with me. So let's go ahead and get started with this makeup look, with this makeup that I tried to review for you guys, but I couldn't bring for you guys because, you know, I was having some technical difficulties. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the primer. Now, I said this was going in my everyday stack. I tried this primer out a couple of times, did the video on it, and yeah, couldn't tell y'all that I like primer because, again, technical difficulties. Y'all didn't even know I had this product. So for primer, I am going with the Ofra Cool as a Cucumber face primer. So I am going with Ofra. Now I tried it out even with my products from BAM Cosmetics, and I really did like the primer. I really did. And being it's a pretty hot day today, this is a good time for me to wear this primer. Now, if I remember correctly, this is a hydrating primer. It does have a little bit of scent, but not enough scent where it irritated my skin. So I did enjoy the primer. So I'm going to bring this primer for you guys. I'm about to rub this in. Like, again, it does have a bit of a scent to it, but it's not an irritating scent where it irritates my skin. And if you're like me and your skin can get very sensitive to scent, this is not bad. Now, I'm only speaking for myself. I cannot speak for you because everybody's skin is very, very different. Because the moment any type of scent usually hits my face breaks out, like bad breaks out. This does have a little bit of a sticky consistency, and I liked it because my makeup did last. If I remember correctly, this lasted. Yeah, this is kind of tacky, but I stayed pretty hydrated, and again, did not irritate my skin at all. It really did not irritate my skin. I really did like this primer. For foundation, yeah, y'all didn't know I had this foundation either. Again, did a makeup review for the foundation. I think I talked about this in one of my vlogs, and yeah, couldn't upload it because I had some technical difficulties, but I really did like this foundation. This is the newest foundation from NARS. I got this NARS foundation. This is the shade Macao. Yeah, this is the shade Macao. I got Macao. So this is the new Radiant. This is their new creamy foundation. This blended like a dream. Now, I am a fan of the soft matte foundation that they released. I got that in the shade Marquise because Macao was a little too dark. The other foundation, that's way too dark for me, which is the shade New Caledonia. I really missed the mark on that one. I don't wear that one as much because, again, it's not my shade. Because it's too dark for me, but I would just, if I do wear it, I try to make it work. But these are the main ones I had been wearing. So yeah, I really did like this foundation, which, you know, with NARS, their foundations are not disappointing at all. But yeah, y'all didn't know I had this because, again, I had tried to do the review for you guys, and yeah, it had like gone by the wayside. Yo, it had gone by the wayside because I could not, for the life of me, upload the video because y'all wasn't gonna be able to hear nothing I said because there was no sound. It was a lot of videos I did, there was no sound. So yeah, this is the foundation. So if you're not familiar with the foundation, this is what it looks like. I believe this is like more of a light coverage foundation, if I remember correctly. But again, with the other foundations from NARS that I have, I've never been disappointed with anything from NARS. So yeah, here it is. I have worn this foundation quite a bit, and I really do like the foundation, as my son is tiptoeing somewhere back in his room here. Yes, I hear you, son. Yeah, it never changes here. Yeah, it never changes. Yeah. Okay, next is concealer. Now, I had kind of messed up with the shading on the concealer, but I did like the concealer. I, again, recorded the review for the concealer. Again, technical difficulties, I couldn't upload it. But what I initially was trying to say with the review was, it's too close to my skin tone, so I need a little bit lighter skin tone. But I wasn't upset with the concealer. It's a pretty good concealer, so I'll still wear it from time to time, and I do find myself wearing this concealer from time to time. This is the new KVD Vegan Beauty. This is their Good Apple concealer. I don't remember the shade. I think this is the shade. I hope y'all can read that because y'all know my eyes are as bad as I don't know what. But that's the shade I got. It is too close to my skin tone. It is way too close to my skin tone. So with this, it is a full coverage concealer. Here's the doe-foot applicator, which is a pretty small doe-foot applicator. So I had to dip in it a few times, and as you can see, it's a little warm for me because, again, it's not my right shade because it's too close. This is more of something I would use for spot concealing. That's what I would use this concealer for, is for spot concealing. But it is a very full coverage concealer, very creamy, and I mean, even though it's close to my skin tone, I still wear it. I don't care. I still wear it, and it does help with some of the circles I have under my eyes, some of the darkness that I have. It did not settle into my lines or anything like that. And like I said, it is pretty full coverage, but as you can see, it pretty much so melts into the skin because, again, it's too close to my skin color. But it's good with this skin tone shade of concealer that I have from KVD. This is a good spot concealer. It is a very good spot concealer. I'm talking a little fast because I'm trying to hurry up and get out of here. I am putting some concealer on my eyes for my eyeshadow base. All right, so for those of you that are new to my channel, I do set my face twice. So yeah, both setting powders. One of them y'all already know that I've had this setting powder. The second one, y'all didn't know I had this. Y'all didn't have not the first clue, first inclination that I had this setting powder. Y'all didn't know I had this setting powder. Then again, y'all might know. I don't know. You know what? We ain't gonna, whatever. The first setting powder, this is the Haley's Beauty Reach Touch setting powder. I have reached for this several times before. So yeah, this has become one of my favorite setting powders, other than mine from Fam Cosmetics. This has become a favorite of mine. Okay, for the second setting powder, I don't know if y'all know I had this. I don't know if y'all know if I had it. I don't remember if I brought it to the channel. And if I did try to bring it to the channel, it may have been part of them videos that got scrapped because I had some technical difficulties. This is the medium deep shade I got from Rare Beauty. I got the new Rare Beauty loose setting powder. This is the medium deep shade. Here it is. Here is the skin tone color. It is the medium deep shade. Now, this is a pretty good setting powder. A lot of stuff from Rare Beauty I really do like. So I'm having to pour this into the top because it comes with kind of like this sifter. That's how it is. It has this little sifter right here. So I just put some in the top. And this setting powder is really, really good. A little bit, literally a little bit of this setting powder does go a very long way. So this is a very good setting powder. If I yep, I remember now. Yeah, this setting powder, I absolutely enjoyed this setting powder. I really, really did enjoy the setting powder. I really did. Now next is bronzer. Now I know for a fact I didn't bring this bronzer to you guys because again, I remember I did the review for this bronzer, tried to upload it, and yeah, I had every difficulty you could think of, y'all. So I'm actually bringing this brand to y'all for the first time. Technically, I had already brought it to y'all, but y'all never saw it. So the bronzer I got, this is the Makeup by Mario. This is their Soft Sculpt Bronzer. Yep, I got Makeup by Mario, y'all. Yes, I did. This is the dark shade that I did get. This bronzer was actually a bronzer I had initially in my maybe stack because I wasn't too certain about it, but I went ahead and put it in my everyday stack. The bronzer, it's okay. This was a pretty good bronzer. After I used it a few times, this ended up being a pretty good bronzer. Gives some color. There's the bronzer. And if you know me, I use bronzer for all over the face. If I do use a darker bronzer, that is for contouring. When I want to sculpt my cheeks a little more, that's what I use it for. But for the most part, the bronzer is not too bad. It's not too bad. It's really not. Next is eyeshadow. Now, again, I did the review for this eyeshadow, and again, y'all wasn't gonna be able to hear me because I had some technical difficulties. So I had did the review. I had went ahead and put it in my everyday stack. I wasn't all that ticky about it. I know he has since come out with another eyeshadow palette. He did, and I have that eyeshadow palette. I have not done a review for that yet. But we're going to talk about this other eyeshadow palette, this other one here, before I get to the new one here. So this is the Major Dimension eyeshadow palette from Patrick Ta. So yeah, I did a review on this a long time ago. And when, again, tried to upload the video, and yeah, y'all weren't going to be able to hear nothing I said. Because again, I was having some technical difficulties, tried to salvage it, and it just was not salvageable enough. So this eyeshadow palette, if you remember, this is more of the neutral eyeshadow palette, and you have two creams. So yeah, I tried. Y'all weren't gonna hear me. I was gonna be a mime. I don't know. But if you remember, this is the eyeshadow palette. And when I got this eyeshadow palette, in Sephora, and it came broken. So if you remember this eyeshadow palette, this is what it looks like. It's got a lot of the brown tones, some warm tones. He does have a new eyeshadow palette with more of the pink and mauves eyeshadow palette. So I'm actually going to start with this shade right here. So I am actually going to put this shade in my crease. I never wore this shade. I wore that brown shade. Now this one coming up with some pigment. Let's see. I ain't never wore this one. Okay. I still feel the same way. Ain't anything to jump up and down with. I hope that other palette is better. Let's see. Because a lot of y'all raved about this palette, and I was like, oh, okay. Okay, on my lid, I think I'm gonna put this pressed glitter. This looks like a pressed glitter, so I'm thinking I'm gonna put this shade right here. I'm gonna put that on my lid area. Looks like a pressed glitter. Yeah. Okay, give me some color. There we go. Oh, all right, okay. Let's see, Patrick Ta. Okay, so that's what it looks like on my eyes. That's what it looks like. It's not bad. I am gonna finish it out. Plus, not to mention, I got that other mauve palette that Patrick Todd just released, so I do have that. So that will be coming up in an upcoming makeup review for you guys. And this blending brush I'm using is from Morphe. Okay, that ended up being nice and soft, even though it's glittery, but not super glittery. Now, if you want to really amp up the glitter, I would suggest some glitter glue for you to put and really amp up the glitter. I'm just not the type of person. I don't need all of that. I'm the type, if you've been following me for a long time, you know 2 shades is good enough for me. If I'm real bougie, I may do 3. And if I'm super bougie, I may do a halo eye. But for the most part, I'm not all that super fancy. For setting spray, I've brought this to my channel before. This has become one of my favorite setting sprays. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is their Matte Fix Oil Control fixing spray. I have really come to enjoy this setting spray. So I'm going to set my face with this. Mascara, I did this in a makeup review, and I put it in my maybe stack. But again, y'all would not have known that because, yeah, I, again, was having some technical difficulties. I got this from my Ipsy. Who is this? This is called, what is this brand name? This is a mascara I got out of my Ipsy. Here it is. I can't really see the name, but I will put it in the bottom of the description box for you guys. Again, I can't see nothing. I don't have my glasses on. But I tried this mascara and it was okay. So I am trying it again to see if my mind has changed. Y'all see I got baby lashes. So this is this eye with mascara, this eye without mascara. What do y'all think? I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my everyday stack. Y'all, I have almost no bottom lashes, but I got all the top lashes in the world. I got plenty of top lashes for you if you need some lashes. Yeah, I got plenty of top lashes. Okay, now it's volumizing. It's lifting my mascara, lifting my lashes. So if you know me, I'm not a false lash girl. I'm not into false lashes. I know I sell them. I'm not into them. That's why I get other people to try out my lashes. But yeah, it's okay. It's doing pretty good now. I want to say last time I wore this mascara, it didn't give me the lift that I had already wore it a couple of times. It didn't give me a lift. This time it's giving me lift. So, okay, I'm pretty impressed with this mascara. So this is going to be moved into my everyday stack. Last is lip. I think I bought this lip for you guys. I think I did. I don't remember. And if I didn't, it could be because there's part in videos that got scrapped because of technical difficulties. And I'm still to this day don't understand why she did this. Where you got to get refillers or whatever. I just use it just like this. This is them Fenty Beauty refillable lipsticks. Is what this is. I got the little tube you put it in. I ain't got time for all that. So I did like this, I really did, but because, yeah, I think that's what it was. I tried to bring it for you guys for a makeup review, but again, the video, it was some technical difficulties. I couldn't bring it for you guys. So I think I had it in my maybe stack, but I think it's going to be moved to my everyday stack now. Oh yeah, this is going to match the eyes perfectly. And these smell good. So this is matching my eye color pretty well. All right, so that is it with that makeup look. So here it is. This is my final makeup look. So with that being said, this is Venetia Alexander Marshall. Hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.